What's going on, guys? It's Jonathan Weinberger here, the authorized Unity instructor for the Ultimate Guide to Game Development series, co-created with Unity Technologies. And if you're tuning in for this, this is our second game development, our second community game jam, sponsored by the community. So we have 14 awesome submissions to get through today, as well as an award ceremony. So before we get started, I just want to do a quality check in the chat, make sure everyone can hear me okay, make sure everything is good in terms of audio levels. So a bunch of messages just came through the top chat, so give me just a second to browse through that. But we have awesome submissions. When you look back at the first game jam to where we are today on our second game jam, the submissions are incredible. And we also have a new honorary award for Most Improved, and we'll be displaying that today as well. So Battle Drake says, we playing all the Game Jam games today or just top picks? So we are playing all of the submissions. My hope is to keep this stream under an hour. So there are 14 submissions. I'm going to try and give each game about 2.5 to 3 minutes each, just to give everyone a fair play and so everyone can kind of see the gist of the game. And if there's anything that I found interesting in that game, I'll make sure that I find it. All right, so let's see. Al says, hi, everyone. Let's see, all Game Jam submissions will be played, shown. Let's see, very cool. Haven't gotten around to playing any myself. Can't wait. What an amazing group of submissions. Agreed. So Al and I actually spent time playing these together, and we are just blown away by the community's submissions here. So it's really exciting. So let's go ahead and get started with this. So I'm going to put the chat aside here. Everything sounds great. Perfect. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and let this fill in just a second here. Alrighty. So the first game that we have is by Romy, and it's Tower's Secret. So I'm going to go ahead and switch monitors here. And you should be able to see my desktop. We're going to go ahead and launch the Tower's Secret by Romy. So all games for this submission, the theme here is secret level. Now you guys should be able to hear the audio of these games. Let me know if you can't. And with the games, they were required to use the GameDevJon's service called GameHost, which allows you to basically host your WebGL package. So it provided them with like added, basically added challenges that your game has to support WebGL. So this is Romy's game. I'm going to go ahead and stop talking and let you guys hear the audio and go through playing this. And if at any moment the audio of the game is too loud, let me know as I can adjust it. Oh my gosh. All right. All right, so dear Mr. Smith, you are cordially invited to spend the night. Alrighty, so already off the bat, amazing intro. Let's go ahead and look at the options. What do we have here? Oh, okay, here lets you control the volume. Awesome, great. All right, hotel lobby. Let's go to controls. All right, so controls, A and D, we have space. Range attack is return, melee attack is L, open door W. Okay, I remember using W a lot in this game. So A and D, jump and attack, okay. So let's go ahead and play. So again, the theme is secret levels. All right, so we'll go ahead and get this key. And I love that like the attack is this like gun. It's pretty funny. You have these paintings here. So if you break this, there's some hidden cash. So I picked up key number 2. So let's go to door number 2. Let's see if I can break this actually. Oh, okay. I don't know if I got put in a secret room or not, but alrighty. Get key 6. I don't think there's anything else in here. So I found that in this game, you always want to try and hit everything because secret level might unveil something. Let's go ahead and go to 6. Also, great job on the sound effects, the ambient music. The character control is very fluid, just overall very, very good. And I love this like art portrait you have. Oh my gosh, did I hit up on that art portrait? And that's how I got here? I think so. Wow, very cool. So if you hit up on this art portrait, I think that's how you get the 7th key. Go in here to door 6. Nothing there. Everything. I just, dude, you did such a great job. And everyone who does the particle effects as like the pixel art, it's very impressive. I love it. Okay, so let's see. Welcome back, John. Give me what you promised. I do not know if I have what he promised. I don't think I do. Let's see. Oh, I forgot the item at number 6. Okay, let me go back and get that. Also, I love your door animation. That's so cool. Great job on that. So I need to go into 6. Here, Romy, this is your game. You tell me what to do, buddy. I will give it another like 45 seconds of this game. Let's see here, out of order. Did I miss something in one of the rooms? Oh, here we go. Nope. Let's go. Oh, I'm missing room 1. How do I get in there? Can I go this way? Ah. Interesting. Oh, room 9. Oh, am I like on a different floor here? I think I am. Interesting. So this game is just, it's awesome. Basically exploration, and you gotta go in these rooms. You can go to level 2, use the upstairs. Okay, awesome. Well, Romy, great job. I remember your submission from the last jam too, and it was really impressive. And this is just, it's just awesome. You did a great job. Everything from sound effects to innovation to the fun factor, it's all here. So great job on that. Okay, so just to clarify, guys, how is the volume quality on that? Just want to make sure everyone's okay with the volume levels. Go ahead and let someone respond to that. All right, looking good from Sir. I loved it. Great game. If you guys could just let me know if the volume quality of the game was okay. Just make sure you guys can hear it okay, because it's super loud in my headphones, but I don't know how loud it is for you guys. Good, good. All right, guys. So the next one we have is Crumbling World by Danny Marty. Now, this game, I've seen a lot of WIP for it, and I've even shared this personally with some of the folks at Unity. And what is so great about this submission is the pure innovation from where Danny has come from in this course. So, you know, taking the ultimate guide to game development with Unity, which teaches you the foundation of Unity and giving you the problem-solving skill set, and to be able to create something as innovative such as this. And that intro you just saw was using course number 2 called The Ultimate Guide to Cinematography with Unity, and it's using Timeline and Cinemachine to create a cutscene for its video game. Everything from the audio to the, he has a procedural level design, it's incredible. So instructions here, we're gonna use WASD to move, rotate, and then we have attack. Left command, right command, attack. Okay, good deal. All right, let's go ahead and play. So already the art style is super awesome if you're into low poly. I think this would make an amazing mobile game. And you'll see here that even look at that. The, I don't even know how you did this. The type of occlusion there. Very cool. So let's go ahead and we'll walk around. And you'll see here that the level is going to start dynamically changing procedurally. And the vegetation on each piece is different, which is just mind-blowing. So excellent job. All right, so we're gonna keep walking over here. Eventually we're gonna get into some combat. And wow, whoops, can't do that. Oh my gosh, hitting everything. So he's got a full combat system in here. And when you do like your combo, it goes into a Cinemachine slow-mo cutscene, like with depth of field. And it's truly just amazing. So I don't know actually if I can, it's gonna not let me attack because of, let's see. Ooh, you know what? I think because it's a WebGL mode and I'm not in full screen, I might not be able to attack because I think it's requiring the shift key and does not like when I do the shift key. Let me see here. Hopefully I don't die. Come on, attack. Danny Marty, if you're watching, is there like a left click to attack? Or let me see if I can go into full screen. Interesting. So the attack is like stopped working. Oh, it's space. Thank you, Al. I was like, what is up with that? So look at the slow-mo cuts of this. Just incredible. I love the use of timeline and cinemachine here. It's absolutely insane. And if you want to learn how he created this, you can take the ultimate guide to cinematography with Unity. So I'm going to go through this side here. And you can see just everything from level design to sheer gameplay, sound effects, the use of timeline and cinemachine, just incredible job, dude. It's so good. This would make an amazing mobile game as like an infinite runner. Let's keep going. And just, I don't know if you guys understand this, but this is being procedurally generated, and the vegetation on each tile is different. That's where he took it a step further, not just making an infinite runner, but by increasing the vegetation. And the combat system, guys, like the combat system here is incredible. Overall, just excellent job, dude. Super polished. Let's see here. I'm gonna die. So also really fun game, and it, you know, for how polished this is, it's really nice that it runs extremely well in WebGL. So, all right, guys. So this is Danny Marty's game, and it's called Crumbling World. So excellent job, Danny. Seriously, excellent job. Yeah, artwork is wonderful. I'm sure, I don't know if Danny, you can confirm if you created the artwork yourself or if you used a free low poly art pack, but great job. Also, yes, you better do, I hope you guys, everyone, I hope everyone is continuing their games. Danny, you have an opportunity for an awesome mobile game there. The combat system is great, and the use of timeline and cinemachine was incredible, so great job. So the next game we have here is called Serendipity by John Bookworm. Now this game visually is using just primitive shapes. However, the gameplay for it is actually very good. Now, unfortunately, I don't think he had enough time to add audio into this game, but the mechanics are pretty smooth, as well as the objective and the type of game it is. So I'm going to go ahead and play this. It does get a little challenging, and I'm just going to let you guys know right now, I'm terrible at playing video games, so I apologize in advance. If you want to play any of these games yourself, though, you can go to the Discord if you're in the course, and you can actually find a link to the Game Jam submissions for the WebGL builds. So here we go. So hello, player, and welcome to Serendipity. A game tests your wits and your might. You are helping this cube escape. All right, so basically you have to jump to these platforms, and I already died. Wow, sorry guys, I'm so bad. All right, here we go. Let's go over here. All right, I love the physics of the cube when it lands. Great job there. In terms of gameplay and smoothability, like it's actually very smooth. It's also really, I'm just really bad right now. But the mechanics are actually very good once the cube gets flat. Let's see here. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and focus here so you guys can actually see what this game has. So basically the objective here is you get to the side and you touch the green, and this red spiral here is keep going things, and you should get out of here. Basically this thing is trying to help you get out of here, but then there's a glitch, and it's this guy. It says, hello, is anyone there? I haven't got much time. And then the thing apologizes. I'm sorry I was interrupted. What was I saying? All right, good job. Hello, you need to listen. Don't trust red. So apparently red is like evil. It reminds me kind of like the Portal games. There seems to be something interfering with the program. Please ignore any bugs or errors. Anyway, the next level will add in enemies into the mix. Hopefully there won't be too much problems for you. All right, so we're gonna go this way. Let's jump. He has nice AI patterns going on here. So great job in terms of challenges. One of the things that can get a little frustrating is when you die, you have to start all the way at the beginning. So countless times I made it to the end and then I died. But that's just also me being a terrible player, nothing against the game. So, oh my gosh, guys, I'm sorry. This is painful for you guys to watch. It's very painful for me to go through as well. Damn. All right, guys. Well, you know what? You guys got the gist. It's so much fun. I will continue to try this for just a few more moments. See if I can do this. All right, well, I blew that one there. Long story short, though, it actually is a very addicting game, and I encourage you guys to get to the end because it has a secret level at the end. It is simple but challenging, and when you get to the end, basically it turns out that red was playing you all, like, I don't even want to ruin it for you guys. Long story short, it's actually kind of a mind blow moment, like a just like a mind blow of what happens at the end. So I definitely encourage you guys to play this. It is an easy game. It's just I'm terrible at video games, but it's also very challenging and rewarding when you get to the end. So John, awesome game. I hope you'll add some polish. I hope you'll add some sound effects to it, and I can't wait to see what you do. All right, guys, the next one here is Nomad Knight by Dragon Orb. And this game is actually amazing as well because he created an RPG and he went above what most would do for a game jam RPG. He added things like bestiary, alchemy. He had an entire stats menu, leveling system. It's a very cool concept. The camera controls and feels are flawless. Like, honestly, it feels just like World of Warcraft or a RuneScape camera. So great job. Let's see. For as bad as John is at games, it's funny he's ended up making them instead. I know, exactly. I realized I'm terrible at video games, but I love and I'm great at making them. So I stuck to that career. Okay, so this is Nomad Knight. So let's go to controls. WSAD to move. We can rotate. We can jump. We can sprint. Disarming and arming is F. And then left mouse click is attack. And then you can use the items in your inventory, one using the number pad. So I'm going to hit start. Already it has a great RPG, like ambient soundtrack. It has a loading screen, so great job there. And what's also really great about this is the scale of this map and how it runs in WebGL. Very impressed. So, and the soundtrack is just awesome to listen to. So here we go, we have our attributes points. So I have 4 points and I can add them. Now playing this already, I'm just gonna add everything to strength because it's super difficult to kill anything. So we're gonna go ahead and hit confirm here. And I wanna show you guys some of the menu options. So already here's the game. And the camera movement and everything is flawless. You can actually take out your sword. Great job on the animation there. And then you can use left to attack. So everyone who's developing combat systems for this game jam, you have no idea how blown away we all were when we were playing this. It was just insane. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my sword back. And I wanna show you guys the menu. So he has things like objectives, so it's like your quest log. Work my way to the Troll Kings, should be in the northwest from where I started. I'll show you guys that. And then here's my favorite thing about this, the bestiary. He created a tab menu that basically displays the animals and creatures you're going to encounter in this world. Excellent job. And then we have alchemy. So when you collect these potions, 3 stamina equals 1 health, and you can convert stamina to health. So 2 health will be 1 stamina and so forth. And he created a mini inventory system. So I'll go ahead and show you guys the combat system. Go ahead and take this out. And he has these little, I think there are these rats or dogs over here we can kill. Let's go ahead and run over here. All right, so in this game, the combat is great, but the damage that they deal to me is greater than what I deal to them. So they're just way stronger, these guys. And you can level up. I'll go ahead and do that. And so like right there, I died. So if you die 3 times, you have to restart the game. Also, occasionally the enemies will drop loot and you can get like mana or health. So the instructions for this say, you need to go northwest. So I'll go ahead and show you where I believe the secret level is, but I could not get past it because I just kept dying. But I'll show you guys that. So Bacchus, and for the source code for this, Dragon Orb, I believe it is, yeah. So he uploaded it to the GameJolt site. You probably have to click the 3 dots and you can download the source code. Yeah, the attack in this game is awesome. Also, guys, the camera system, and you can actually zoom in and out of your character using the scroll wheel. In terms of an RPG camera system, he nailed it, and the movement is just flawless as well. So as you explore, you come up to this tower that's guarded by these huge, like, ogres. And I could not get past it. And I even spent like a good hour leveling up and I still couldn't get past it. But I will show you guys what that looks like. So here we go, we're coming up to it. Also guys, if there's anything that you can take away from this game, it's the fact that you can create a large scale game in Unity, and people are doing it. Like, there are tons of open world games now coming out in Unity, and the fact that he did this in WebGL and it runs flawlessly, that's also incredible. And I think he used the terrain system in Unity as well. 1 second. Alrighty, so here we go. So we're coming up to this portal where the objective is, and I don't know if Dragon Orb is in here. Oh, okay, I think Dragon Orb is done. He says full screen works better. But I don't know if he knows how I can secretly get past these guys. I went behind it to go through the portal and it killed me. So I'm imagining you have to kill them. But these orbs are blocking this portal and I'm only level 1 and I don't know what level these guys are, but they can one-hit me. So I'm just gonna keep my distance here. But I will show you what I tried to do. I tried to sneak past them and go through the portal here. And it killed me. Oh, actually it didn't this time. Oh my gosh, mind blow. Look at this. Incredible. Interesting. I don't know what killed me last time then. Oh, okay, you have to be about level 5 to take them on. Okay, wow. Okay, so this is the secret level, hidden room. Great job. This dude is, wow, he's gonna one-hit me. Yeah, he just killed me. All right, so awesome job, Dragon Orb. Like, incredible submission. I encourage everyone to download the source code and look at how he did some of these mechanics because it's so flawless. Great job, dude. And just to top it off, I love that you included the animation to put your sword away and take it out. Very cool. All right, guys, moving on here, we have Ryan. So Ryan participated in our last game jam. She submitted a game called Believe, and this time she created a pinball game called Soaring Twenties. So Ryan let me know she made some fixes here, but also she was a little time crunched, so she didn't get to complete this. So in terms of the theme being secret level, she had ideas to add something like a fiery version of the game, but she didn't have time to implement it. So what we have here, though, is a working version of a pinball machine, and everything she had from sound effects to ambient music is incredible. In terms of... and I'll just let you guys see this game. It's actually really good. So here we go. Game controls. Start game, enter, spacebar, and then use the right triggers. All right. So let's go ahead and hit space. Okay. So here we go. We have this nice little slider bar, and it will launch our thing. Wow. Okay. I already lost that one. Sorry, guys. All right. And here we go. So it reminds me of that like old school, if you guys remember that really popular desktop pinball game. It's really the only pinball game I ever played. Now, in terms of like playability and functionality, everything is extremely responsive. It keeps going to that one side, which is a little annoying, but everything is extremely responsive. The mechanics and the controls, and I believe she did all of the artwork herself. And the one thing I would say if she could improve is when it bounces off those trigger points, if she can give it more of a rumble feel as well as more force. But for the most part, it does have a very physics-like feel. So great job working on this. And let's see here. So let's go and get up some points. It's definitely hugging that right side. Let's see, yeah. So, and then these bumpers too, these bumpers probably need a little bit more force. But for the most part though, in terms of like playability and feel, great job on it. Everything from the ambient music to the sound effects. And I love this little slider you have, adding like the fill amount. So very, very good. Let's see. So, and then everything too from the main menu, I like how you do the transition. Also, I don't even know if you guys noticed that. I think like there's... Oh, okay, I think you removed them. I think an earlier version of this game had hands actually on the side. So let me know if that's the case, Ryan. And if there is anything secret in this level that I can activate, let me know how. Yeah, oh yeah, I imagine. Guys, yeah, like pinball may seem like a very simple game. It's actually not. And one of the interesting things about pinball is that it demonstrates a lot of gameplay mechanics and physics and joints. Oftentimes, even in programming interviews, I've actually been given interview questions on the mechanics of a pinball machine, believe it or not. So excellent job in terms of programming and game mechanics. It's actually a much more difficult challenge than it seems. Okay, and yeah, Ryan changed the angle in the update. Oh, and tilt. What does tilt do? I didn't even try that. I don't know what T does. It doesn't look like it's doing anything at the moment. Very cool. All right, guys, so that is Soaring 20s by Ryan. Amazing achievement. And compared to where she is now in her last game, guys, from Believe, which is a very simple, just kind of movement collectible game to creating a pinball machine it's just extremely ambitious, and the fact that she was able to do this is incredible. So great job, Ryan. Let's see here. So next, guys, we have Cats in Rooms by Anatomamorph. I hope I pronounced your name right. If I didn't, you can go ahead and give me the abbreviations for it or pronunciations for it. Let's see here. Let's go ahead and check out this. This is called Cats in Rooms. Now, this game is also a lot of fun. There is 3 hidden cats. If you find them, you want to make your life harder. Good luck. Now, for anyone who has seen Ready Player One, I don't want to give any spoilers, but like Ready Player One, the whole point of that movie, right, was that sometimes you just need to forget about winning the game and just play. And that was really like expressed in this game, and it was actually just incredible. So one of the things here is a great soundtrack, and this controls are very simple. You have your attack and your jump. So I'm assuming she didn't have enough time, or he have enough time to implement more of the animations as well as a better like hit thing. But in terms of playability and the theme, as you guys are going to see, the theme was spot on. And in terms of level design as well, great job. I'm assuming you used tile map for it. So let's go ahead and get up here. All right, we'll go and kill this guy. So when you guys see the secret level theme, you will just be, I'm telling you, I was mind blown, like mind blown. The only way to actually find it was literally just to play the game. And that was like, it took me back to Ready Player One, which is such an awesome movie. You guys should go see that. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and kill this guy. Let's go up here. So I don't know what happens when you collect those blue things. I don't know what they actually do, if they do anything. Oh my God. Also, there's a little issue with jumping in this. You have to really hold it down, it seems. If you see that type of breaks, that means the secret location is near. Oh, okay. Wow, very cool. So it's a guide of where the hidden cats are. Very cool, dude. Good job. All right, so here we go. Let's keep playing. I'm just gonna skip these guys because I don't want to die. Go down here. All right, we're coming up to the location. I don't want to fall down the pit. So I know of one location already where you fall down the pit. Oh my gosh, if I die here, I'll be really upset. And I could not get out of the pit. It was so hard, and I was like, ugh. So Al wants me to go down there so you guys can see me struggle. All right, here we go. Oh my God, don't die. No, I'm sorry guys, I'm just terrible at video games. Oh, one of the things that's amazing here too is the checkpoint system. So thank you for adding that in. I don't have to restart at the beginning. All right, here we go. All right, so we're gonna go through here. We're almost there, guys. And you're gonna see how crazy, like, awesome this secret level is. And I'm assuming everything in this game was created using the new tile mapper, just based off the features that I see when you get to reveal. So check this out. We're almost there. Here we go. Also, great job of just puzzle elements and platformers. Everything was just super awesome. Wow, I killed myself on that? No. Oh my gosh. Oh, go to the right wall. There's a room. Did I already miss it? I don't think I missed it. All right, here we go. Okay, here we go. We're almost there. Oh my gosh. I'm so sorry, guys. Ah. Okay, here we go. I think it's up here. Yes, okay, here we go. Finally, we made it. So watch this, guys. So you have these platforms, and watch what happens when you use these platforms. It unveils a secret room, and you get this cat, which gives you a special ability. I've changed your way, and now I can actually hit E, and I get like this power up. when we played this, and you know, obviously we don't have the rules or instructions on what to do. And when we played it, we didn't actually have this guide that said what those blue things do. And we were just blown away when we climbed on this and we saw the level actually reveal itself. So the way you did that is incredible. And I'm assuming you used the new tile mapping system for it. So great job for learning that on your own and incorporating this. Really a great game. I definitely recommend everyone check this out. So awesome. I'm glad I made it to this, this part of the game so everyone could see that. So great submission. Let's see here. Also, yeah, the music was spot on for that. It was very, very enjoyable. The pit is super hard. It gives you a double jump ability or a wall jump ability, and I could just never complete it. It was too difficult. Al was able to complete it, but I could not. The next game we have here is called The Lost World, and this is a team submission by Mary and Death Machine. So two opposite names there, Mary and Death Machine. But both of you guys did a great job on this submission, and it's a ton of fun as well. I love the idea of the secret world or the lost world, and I'll show you guys what I mean by that. Alrighty, so here we go. Great job on the menu system. Alright, so the Lost World is loading. Amazing soundtrack, guys. Like, I don't think it's original sound. It's an original soundtrack, but wherever it is, Mary, if you're watching this, post a link for everyone because the soundtrack is incredible. So we can talk to this guy. Have you heard of A Tale of the Lost World? Greetings. Follow the stream of life. It is the only path that can lead you there. All right, so we can collect these coins. Also, great job on the animation. I don't know where you found the sprite sheet, but it's so fluid, the movement system, so great job. All right, I don't know if we can kill these. I'm just gonna avoid them. If you go in the water, you do die. I tested that. Alrighty, here we go. So this is pretty much just your typical platformer game, and the mechanics of it are so simple, but the gameplay is really good. Very responsive, very smooth. If I had one recommendation for the last game, guys, it would be to go back and fix the jumping of it to make it more fluent. Also, I don't know if you guys can hear the soundtrack as good as I can, but it's incredible. And I don't know what the different coin collections do. I don't see it adding anywhere. I think it just gives me points. So in this game, guys, the theme here is secret level. And if I remember correctly, if you go to the end, it has a traditional ending. However, if you take a leap of faith and you walk down here, it invites you down to a secret level. And that was insanely cool to figure out. So great job, and then you get all the treasure and you win. So excellent job in terms of nailing the theme, being able to just play your game and explore and just accidentally fall off that waterfall was the greatest moment of relief ever. So excellent job. Alrighty, so I hope you guys really enjoyed this. The best thing I could say for this game, guys, is the soundtrack. You nailed it, like really, really nailed it on the soundtrack. So great job, Mary and Death Machine. That was one of our team submissions, so great job. So the next game we have here is called Find the Way by CBRZY. And I don't, just based off the name, I don't believe that's their Discord name, so I can't remember off the back of my head what this game is. But we'll see. So this game is called Find the Way. Yeah, excellent job. I mean, that game was great. The mechanics and the fluidness of the platformer games is incredible. All right, so this game is called Find the Way. Let's go ahead and start the game. Oh, okay, yeah, I do remember this one. All right, so here we go. So we have this platformer here. So walk with the arrow keys, run with left shift. Run with left shift and jump with spacebar. Alrighty, great job on that transition here, by the way, from walk to run. Very cool. And all right, let's go ahead and run. Oh my gosh, awesome. Great job on the hidden platform. Let's see here. So portal interacts by pressing the return key. Very cool. I love the sound effects on that. Unfortunately, portals don't always take you to where you need to go. So basically I should have avoided that one maybe. Okay, it took me back to the intro. Very cool. Also, great soundtrack. I imagine I now have to run to jump to this one. Yep. Careful, lava burns. Also, I love your dialogue hints. Great job on that dialogue system. And the portals and the particle system. Great job. All right, I imagine one of these are going to secretly fall. Ooh. All right, do I take the portal or do I go to the secret level? I see something hidden here that says I can jump here. And we can go through. Great job on the theme of secret level. There's a portal here. I'm gonna go ahead and take that. Oh, okay, and there's something over there as well. Let's jump to that. Let's see here. Yeah, if you're just now tuning in, guys, don't worry about it. This is our Game Jam community submissions, and it's being recorded, so you'll be able to watch it afterwards. Alrighty, which portal, left or right? I'm gonna take the right one here. Alright, that was the wrong one to take. That was the wrong one to take. And I start back at the beginning, ouch. Let's go ahead and just run through this. Ah, I should not have done that. This is just how bad I am at video games, guys. I'm so sorry. Let's go. Let's keep running. I don't know if I took this one. Oh my god. Ow. Ah. So eventually, when you make it through this, you get to a level where there's actually like a boss that tries to kill you, and it's like a room filled with like 100 portals, and you basically have to like get lucky and pick the right one to get into the center room, I imagine. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get you guys there just because of how terrible I am, but I will try. Let's see. All right, we're gonna take the left one this time. Okay, here we go. So this is the boss room. So there's gonna be like this death thing that can, yeah, like that, and also very scary. Great job on the sound effects there. So these portals, you have to take them and hope it doesn't kill you. But also just incredible submission, a lot of fun. Mechanics are great, and the soundtrack is awesome. And I love how you did the portals. And this death guy is so scary, and if he touches you, you die. So very good. That was by CBRZY called Find the Way. Great job, dude. All right, I'm just gonna go through the chat a second here. Good choice on the sounds. Beautiful art on that one. Like the background. Let's see here. It'll be available recorded later. Yes, it will be available recorded immediately after the stream. All right, so we are running a little behind on time here, but I hope it's okay for you guys. We only have about 5 more games to go. The next one here is called Mirage by GhostDad. This game is amazing. Everything about this game is just awesome. He did all of the artwork and the gameplay mechanics himself. And in terms of secret level for this, I think it's up to interpretation. Like all of these games, when it comes to secret level, is up to interpretation. But what I believe it means is that the entire Mirage is the secret level, because it actually, it requires playability on both levels. And the innovation here, from innovation to the art style, to the mechanics, to the sound, and just the quality of this game, it's incredible, guys. I definitely recommend you check this out. So WSAD keys to move and space to jump. R like resets you. So R, it does this cool little particle effect of death, and it's incredible. The sound effects are subtle. Also, check this out. So he created a Mirage image effect. I have no clue how he actually did this. I need to download the source code, but it's a beautiful game. And you can see here that to solve these puzzles, you move in parallel. So it's like a Mirage, right? Well, watch this. You have puzzle elements that you actually have to watch both screens basically to solve them. So here I can solve this, but if I just collect it on the top, it falls through. So in terms of innovation for creating puzzle elements to incorporate both sides of gameplay, it's just stunning. So you actually have to do a longer jump to get that. And just everything from the sound effects to the subtle ambient music, it's incredible. That's a strange patch of flowers, might be worth something. Let's see here. All right, and then in terms of puzzles, guys, it's not just having to watch what's on the bottom screen and top screen. My gosh, I'm sorry, guys, I'm terrible. It gets way more innovative than that, and you'll see what I mean in just a moment here. So here we go. All right, and you can see here that, so right now on the top screen, I am Oh, you'll see it actually. You can actually control just one or the other when you're blocked by an obstacle, which is really cool. All right, so we're coming up to another puzzle element here. And you can see as it's this. Here we go. Wow, terrible. Sorry, guys. All right, so here we go. So now we have this little run through we have to do. And then the next set of puzzles is you actually have to like move a block on the top and the bottom, but differently. And it's just, honestly, it's just amazing. This game is incredible. The gameplay mechanics are fun. I will admit, guys, out of all of the jam submissions, this is the game that we spent the most time playing. In terms of completability, it's just there. GhostDad, I really hope you continue to complete this. I hope you'll add controller support. This is a game that I could actually see on Steam and being worth spending money on to get this. So excellent job. Wow, and I don't know why I can't beat this right now. All right, and there's this is the next puzzle element. So you move these squares, and you'll see here that he created just innovative puzzles for both sides. Just unbelievable. All right, so you move that one down. Now, this actually took me about, I'd say 30 minutes to actually beat. Al figured it out first, but there are things you just have to do first. Like on the top here, you drop this down. And then you have to like go over to here. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna die. I'm sorry, guys. But basically, you go over to there and you have to solve those puzzles. And it's, like I said, guys, it's just insane. The innovation in the puzzles and how he did it and how he incorporated things and objectives for both top and bottom is just out of this world. So, and then in order to open that door, you have to actually do that. So let's see if I can do this real quickly. So basically you have to knock this over. All right, and then you have to run, you have to do this side, and then you have to run and do that side. Oh my gosh. Hold on. Oh, and that opens the thing, but, and then I died, of course. But guys, I definitely recommend you check out this game. A lot of fun. Everything from just everything about it, guys, is really great. So, GhostDad, awesome job, dude. Such a great game. Let's see here. Next we have, yeah, that puzzle right there was actually like ridiculously hard. It took us like 30 minutes to actually figure out how to beat it the first time. All right, guys. Next we have Cube Quest by Toshka or Nat in the Discord. This game in art style is also really cool and unique. In terms of secret level, they hit the theme spot on. Basically, you have to explore these cubes, and it unlocks a secret level. Yeah, I totally agree, Tyler. I'm just terrible at video games. Yeah, so GhostDad, I hope you will continue to finish that game, and you could work with someone like Humble Bundle and get it on there. If you guys watched the live stream with Samuel Arminana, he released Cave Brawlers on Humble Bundle and got, I think, 2,500 installs. So definitely GhostDad, consider extending it, adding controller support, and putting that on Steam. It's such a great game. All right, so here we go. Hi, I hope you read this letter and find me. I strongly believe we are going to continue this quest together. On the way, watch out for the evil butterflies and gather as many items of survival kit as possible. There are hidden sensors on the floor to show you the way. I've hidden magic potions for you on the way. Drink it. I hope you make it despite your injured foot. See you soon. And then his acknowledgments is pretty funny. I wish to thank my supportive husband and not so supportive daughters. Big thank you for the creators of free assets I use. And then she credits everyone. So let's go ahead and check this out. Let's go ahead and play. Press spacebar to play. So in terms of audio and soundtrack, it's great. Excellent job. In terms of level design, I've never seen anything like this. It's very unique. And what you have to do here is you actually have to like explore, and you'll unlock like a ladder. I believe it's the first ladder is here in the corner somewhere. There you go. So just by like, basically just by like exploring, you'll unlock the ladders. So one of the things I would have liked to see for this is a, F1 to hide panel. So you can hide this. Oh, that did not work. Okay, here we go. So you can hide that, but also a volume level. The volume is very high for me. I don't know how loud it is for you guys. But also, I love when you get hit by those butterflies and you do like that weird little slide motion. It's just like hilarious. All right, let's go ahead and find. Here we go. So for these, some of them you actually have to jump. All right, and there's a water bottle here. Let's get that. In terms of level design, guys, and the way you design this level for the secret levels, just incredible. Great job. It's gameplay mechanics are great. And the animations for this character are awesome. I don't know where you found this guy, but I hope you'll share the link with everyone. And also, if anyone wants to check this out, you can always download the source code as well. But in terms of objectives and gameplay mechanics and the puzzle logic elements to explore a piece of this and unlock a ladder, I don't know how you created this. I'm sure it's some modular system, but excellent job. All right, we'll go up here. These butterflies have killed me in the past. I'm stuck. Go up. I am like toppling over myself. Here we go. Here we go, up here. I love when you just like slide. That's really funny. Alright, here we go. Alright, here's a knife. I don't know if I can use any of this stuff I actually pick up, but go up here. So I don't know if this is an infinite runner, by the way. If it is, let me know. Nat, if you're watching. I don't know if there's an ending to this. I never actually made it to the end, so tell me if there is. But in terms of level design, oh, there is a secret level right here. Check that out. Very cool. Let's go in here. Oh, very cool. If you're reading this, you found the secret room where I have hidden the magic potion for you. Drink it and all your life energy will be returned to you in case nasty butterflies sucked it right out. Awesome. Let's get that. Very cool. I just love the animation of this guy. It's so funny. Alright, so yeah, the style is such an interesting, unique style. So great job on this. This is from Toshka, Nat in the Discord. Great job. It's called Cube Quest. Okay, next we have the Tomb of Naftir. Unfortunately, the Tomb of Naftir, I did not get the submission text file, so I actually don't have a WebGL version for you guys. The next one is going to be from Renzo Jansen called Robots with Crazy Rockets. Now, this game is also really neat. It reminds me of very old school arcade, like Flash browser games. And you'll see what I'm talking about when we start it up here. One of the things I love about this game off the bat is when you die, when you kill the enemies, the explosion effect that you've created is very cool. So sound and music is from Free Sound. Let's go ahead and see everything here. So controls, player, you move and rotate using WSAD. You have a boost and you have a shoot, which is spacebar. And then you have rockets. And that's, oh, okay, that's for the rockets to see. Oh, you can actually control the rocket? I don't know if I knew that. Hot rocket mode. Hold down hold down right shift and then press spacebar. Keep holding down shift to stay in hot rocket mode. All right, guys, check this out. Let's go and return to the main menu. We're gonna do easy because I'm awful. Like, I'm pretty sure the easy mode was meant for people like me. And we're gonna go ahead and check this out. So one of the things about this is the art style. It looks very Lego-y and very cool. So if I hit space, I can shoot these guys. Great job on the AI mechanics to have them follow me and rotate. And basically the objective, right, is to destroy that robot before he kills me. And here we go. So I killed him, and you get that insane explosion effect. Great job. And you get these portals you can go into. Press space for the next level. Everything from ambient music to level design, sound effects, great job. Also, having a wave system like this is really cool. I'm gonna go ahead and hold down shift and space. Oh my god, what is that? What is happening here? Am I just using this incorrectly? Oh, wow, I think that puts me as the rocket. Okay, so I thought there was like a beast mode fire system. I guess not though. Hold on, let me read the controls again. Hot rocket mode. Hold down the right shift key and press spacebar. Let's try that. Hold down the right shift key, press space. Oh, wow, guys, look at that. I am controlling this rocket. Very cool, dude. I don't think I've ever seen a mechanic like this. Great job. Great job. One of the things I would have liked to seen in this is like a power-up that lets me just fire a bajillion rockets. But other than that, I mean, great job. It's like a very cool, easy form battle arena type game. So, and I'm actually not 100% terrible at this one. Someone help me out there. You shoot a missile and then control it. Yeah, I've seen games very similar to something like this. I don't know if I've ever seen one where I can actually control it though. There was an amazing game growing up on like Flash or Shockwave where you were in a submarine and you could shoot rockets at each other. That's what this game kind of reminds me of. So, excellent job on this Ren Zone. Seriously, a really cool game. And just overall, just great job on this. Everything about it is really neat. All right, guys. In terms of secret level, I don't know what the secret level was for that. So if you do know what it is, or if that was the theme, or how you interpret it, let us know, because I could not find a secret level playing that game. But great job. So next we have, guys, is Ecliptic by Mobilephoria. So Mobilephoria worked on, he completed Course 1, and he basically took Course 1 and kind of innovated it to create a unique space shooter type game. And you'll see what I'm talking about here. Oh, the secret is level of control. That actually could be it, maybe. I don't know. That would make so much sense. So before that, we explore the stars. Also, guys, if you're watching this right now, this is a very cool coroutine trick to basically create a dialogue system one character at a time. So excellent job researching how to do this. Great job. So now it's time to take our homeworld back. Oh, you know what? You might have to actually fly to the secret level with the rocket. Ooh, that's actually worth investigating. All right, here we go. Great job on the sound system. Ecliptic. We hit space. So check this out. It's kind of this old school style. And I love that it's in this rotating format. I don't think I've ever seen something like this. So great job on it. And it's a wave system too. So after you kill all of these guys, it goes to a new level. And great job on everything from sound effects to the boss battle, the rotating, the different attacks the boss is shooting. Also the enemy AI on these guys. Great job. So in terms of secret level for this one as well, and destroying the boss, I don't know what the secret level is on this one either. I could not figure it out, so whatever your interpretation is, feel free to post below and let us know. Oh, I died. All right, that's no surprise to anybody. Is there a restart button? Let me restart that. I'll show you guys what happens when we, when you actually kill the boss. Oh, that must be it. I like this game. I don't like that there was no restart. Yeah, I wish there was a restart button. Easy to add with the R key. Rotate. Yeah, it's basically rotating Space Invaders. Really cool. Tron did this for anyone who remembers playing that in the arcade. Oh, interesting. Yeah, it's pretty cool. I've seen the reverse method. All right, let's go ahead and check this out again. I think power-ups would have been neat in this too. If you could have incorporated some sort of like laser from me that could kind of wipe out the enemies or throw a grenade or something like that. Would have been really cool. Okay, I do like that I can hold down the space key. Alright, so let's go ahead and destroy these guys. Also, great job on the health system. I just realized it was a health bar, so good job on that. And figuring out the fill amount of... Oh, you know what? Is that a power-up? Oh, it's warp. Okay, Mobilephoria, how do I warp? How does it work? I don't know. There was no menu for controls. I am not sure how to warp, but I have the warp ability. Shift, E, Q, enter, shift. Yeah, I don't know what these warp things do. No, this game is awesome. I mean, the gameplay mechanics of this game are super fluid. I mean, you took what you learned in Course 1 and completely re-innovated it. So excellent job, dude. It was awesome job. So and as you can see, there's kind of the wave systems. Like, great job. Oh, and it added in new type of enemies. Oh my goodness. Wow, that got chaotic really quickly. So I don't know how to use warp. I wish I knew how I did. I tried shift. But excellent job. Oh, W. Oh, let me try that. Oh, I'm already dead. So here, for the sake of the feed, we're gonna press the W. Although no, I was pretty sure I was pressing the W key. But we will check it out and then move on to our final submission called Elevate by James, and then we'll get on to the award ceremony. So as for timing, we have about 4 minutes left. So actually, we're doing pretty good on timing. I wish there was a way to skip this. Oh, let me try the mouse button too. And let's see here. Now it's time to take our homeward back. Yeah. Okay, so let's go ahead and press space. All right, so right now I have a little bit of warp, I think. Okay, I probably need to collect. Oh, here, so if you left click, it shoots. Oh my God, wow. All right, well, you know what? That was embarrassing enough, guys. If you guys want to figure out what the W key does when you have warp, go ahead and check it out. The next game we have here is Elevate. Now, Elevate is super simplistic, but the design of it is so effective. And James, if you're watching this, I hope you will consider porting this to mobile, adding polish, as well as adding some audio to it, because this is what, when I think of like a simple but effective mobile game, it's this. So this is called Elevate. To play, let's go ahead and click on this. So the green tiles are safe tiles. The blue tiles elevate. Red tiles go down. Be cautious. In terms of secret level, I'm not 100% sure how it was interpreted here. So James, if you're watching, let us know. But the gameplay for this is just really smooth, really, it's fun. So let's go ahead and hit play here. So green tiles are safe. Blue tiles elevate. And you can see you have to use it to basically solve puzzles. So excellent job on this. And soundtrack is great for it. The sound effects you have when you collect things, excellent job. So let me see here, guys. I see some chat going on about a game or two I may have missed. Let me see here. I will confirm with you guys in just a second here. So, like I said, guys, this game here, like this is a type of mobile game that I would actually play. It's just very relaxing and calming. And just, it's so effective, the mechanics of it. So excellent job on this. Also, I think a lot of people would be interested to know how you created the elevate functionality. I don't know if you're just scaling it or how you're scaling it one direction. So I'm sure a devlog on that would actually be really cool. Wow. All right. Well, I'm just terrible at this. So let me, but guys, definitely an easy, outgoing, fun game. So James, excellent job on this. And it does have audio. I thought it didn't. So great job on the audio. One of the things I would say you could do is just polish it up and definitely consider a mobile port for this. I don't know how many levels you've created here, but definitely continue at it. Great job. All right, guys. So that was all the submissions I have here. Someone mentioned something about Nightsylvania. Oh, did I? I totally skipped over Nightsylvania. I am so sorry about that. Nightsylvania by Team Snailfish. Let's go ahead and check that one out. So this is our final submission. In terms of the Tomb of the Nifter, I did not receive the submission text file, so I don't have the game host link for it. If you can get it to me within the next minute to 3 minutes, I will play it. But in terms of the submission guidelines, it required the submission text file, and I did not receive it. Okay. So Mobilephoria is here. He says, when you pick up enough of those yellow warps, when you get enough, it allows you to go to the secret level. Oh, very cool. Okay, so I will have to replay that and actually be good. This is Nightsylvania. Let's check this out. So Nightsylvania, WSAD key to move, J to attack, and jump. All right, so this game is by John Fry and Eric Priest, another dual submission. Oh, right, I remember this game. So this game is really fun. If anyone watched the live stream of Samuel Arminana or knows who that is, he's Pro-Choice Fetus in the Discord channel. He created a game called Cave Brawlers, and it reminded me very much so of Cave Brawlers. So let's go ahead, go through here. Great job on the slash attack. Also, the audio for this is, I don't know if you have any ambient audio playing, but the sound effects are really good. And I love his little jump animation. I watched someone do a let's play of this, and they were like, huzzah, huzzah. So awesome. Combat system, very good. And I think you can crouch and attack. Yes. In terms of art style, very good. I'm assuming you created this using the new tile map system, just because the level is so detailed and I see a ton of tiles here. So I imagine you didn't take the time to place them individually, but you painted them. Great job on this. The mechanics are so smooth. This took you 3 weeks to do. It took Sam 4 years to release Cave Brawlers. So excellent job. Let's see here. Great job on the bat mechanics too. The AI for the bats and the flying mechanics, excellent job on that. I don't know if you're using, it looks like you're using a sine wave to do that. So it required a little bit of math. Excellent job. Being able to research and figure that out. Kill these slugs. Excellent job on the combat system. It's very good. Also, you have a checkpoint system, which I appreciate. Yeah, very Rogue Legacy, or I guess like he was going for like a Transylvania's type feel. Oh, and I died. No surprise. Hang on. Very good gameplay. One thing I would like to see if you continue this is controller support. Games like this are always better, I feel, with controller support. So also in general, I'm a controller support fan. And this is a game you could totally put on Steam. It could participate in a Humble Bundle. And I think it would do really well. You know, there's a lot of people who enjoy this type of art style. It's very retro, nostalgic. Let's keep going. Oh my goodness. All right, hold on. Here we go. I love the jump animation. Now, this character looks original. Did you create the artwork for this, Team Snailfish? I'm assuming you may have. Everything looks pretty original. I don't know if you did the level design originally, but the character is very unique. Oh, also, great job on the death animation where the sword jumps out. Very cool. Yeah, totally a lot of fun. I definitely recommend everyone play this. The mechanics of this game are really great. So that is going to wrap up all of our submissions, guys. Everyone literally blown away. There wasn't a single bad submission here. We had celebrity guest judges. We had a guest judge from EA. We had a guest judge from Brawlhalla. We also had a guest judge from Twin Cop, an indie game. And thank you to them for judging, helping me judge. Thank you to Al Heck for all of the awesome intro and animations and everything he does for the game development series. And now what you guys have been waiting for, we have the award ceremony. So before I can get to that, I do have to play the popular YouTube ad. So when we return, I will get to the awards. Hi, my name is Jonathan Weinberger, and I've been developing games with C# and Unity for the last 6 years. I've helped thousands of developers learn to code and improve their skill sets. I currently teach game development on Udemy, an online marketplace for courses. Udemy has over 17 million students learning everything from game development to piano or cooking. Enjoy courses on any device and at your own pace with lifetime access. My course, The Ultimate Guide to Game Development with Unity, is designed to teach you the fundamentals of C# programming in Unity. We'll cover everything from receiving user inputs to creating destructible objects. By the end of this course, you'll make 2 high-quality games you can share with the world. This course is for anyone who wants to learn game development or refine their technique. Whether you're interested in game development as a hobby or you want to make games professionally, this course will grow your programming skill set and help you go on to make your own games and applications. Click on the link in the bottom left of the video player to access a special discount for this course. I look forward to teaching you more about game development with Unity and C# on Udemy. All right, guys. So now the moment everyone has been waiting for. Let's see here. I just want to go through the chat real quickly. Where's the skip ad button? Yeah, you're not going to see that one on these ones. Amazing work for sure. Alex is never. All right, guys. Everyone, thank you for tuning into this. Also, guys, seriously, everyone who participated, excellent job. When we do these game jams, guys, you know, GameDevJon working with Unity Technologies and everything that we have going on right here, everything we do is to benefit you guys as game developers and get you on your game development journey to wherever you want to be. Whether you want to become a full-time indie developer, you want to get a job professionally, you want to make your own game, the community that I've created for you guys is dedicated to your success. And with these game jams, it's all about striving to be the best you can be, constantly pushing yourself and learning every new game. With every jam, you can clearly see from those who participated in the first jam to where you are today. It's unbelievable how much some of you guys have grown, and it just shows that, you know, for those who want to make this happen and want to successfully make games as a career, by participating in these game jams, that's how you're gonna make it. You need to always be creating, always be innovative, just always be working at your skill, and that's what these game jams provide you the opportunity to do. Like I said, guys, there wasn't a single bad submission here. Looking at the submissions now versus what we saw in the Game Jam 1, it's just mind-blowingly different. The submissions were incredible. I can't wait to see what the third Game Jam is. We run these every month, so for everyone who wants to participate, every month we run and we release a new theme. And we share these with Unity Technologies. We also do giveaways. So the giveaways for this jam are Unity swag. So let's go ahead and get to the award ceremony. Now, we introduced a new award here, and this award is for the most improved. So in order to qualify for this award, you will have to have participated in a previous jam, and we had to have looked at your jam submissions from the previous one and current one and just be like, holy snap. From the ambition and from the drive of where you started and where you are today is just clearly a step in the right direction and someone who is just killing it right now in game development. So for that award, guys, this goes to most improved is Ryan. She started with Believe and then jumped to a very ambitious and very amazing project of creating a pinball machine and all the mechanics. Now, when you compare the mechanics to her Believe game to the mechanics implemented in the pinball game and everything that she created for this, it's just day and night to how far she has come as a developer, and she just absolutely deserves this award. So excellent job, Ryan. Well deserved. Excellent job for most improved. So now for third place. All right. So third place we have, and I hope I pronounce this correctly, it's Anatima Morph for Cats and Rooms. When we were playing your game, when we got to the secret level, it was just mind-blowing. And being the huge fan of Ready Player One, which everyone go see, it was just incredible when we were figuring out how to beat your game, and just by exploring and playing it, we discovered the first hidden room, and that was incredible. We actually didn't find that pit until our second playthrough. So it was just a mind-blow experience of like, oh my gosh, this is incredible. Assuming you also did this in tile map and the drive you took to self-educate yourself on how to create something like that, just shown and proved how insane of a submission this was. So excellent job, well deserved. And in terms of your award for the ultimate guide to mobile game development with Unity, which is releasing at the end of May, you'll receive free access to that. Our second place goes to Danny Marty for Crumbling World. Danny, we have followed Danny's game since the beginning of this game jam, from his early alpha builds and his progression to literally what you saw today. I don't think there's anyone in the community who doesn't think this is well deserved. When you look at Danny's game, you just think it's just jaw dropping. The sheer innovation that he put into this jam is incredible. When we look at this jam, this is, Danny has taken his last submission, which was, I believe Danny participated in the last one. Yeah, it was also really good. He created that infinite runner that was beautiful, to where he is now, and from everything from the procedural landmass to incorporating timeline and cinemachine to the combat system that you incorporated. it shows how you've grown as a game developer, and it shows that like you're one of the ones who is going to make it in this industry. The polish and the drive that you put towards this jam, if you do that to every game you create and any future jam that you participate in, this is what employers want to see. They want to see just innovation like this. So excellent job, Danny. Everyone on the community of GameDevJon and at Unity when we saw this is just we were blown away by the submission. So excellent job, Danny. Well deserved. And you'll be getting a Unity t-shirt, so I'll get you details for that afterwards. All right, guys, and what we've all been waiting for, and I'm sure if you've played as the community and all the judges, it was a clear victory for first place. And guys, and that goes to Ghost Dad. Ghost Dad Mirage blew us all away. His gameplay mechanic of the Mirage, the ability and the reflection of it is just incredible. From the art style to the simplicity of the sound effects to the game mechanics and the innovation of puzzle elements, deserved this game to have a spot of first place, guys. Ghost Dad put just a lot of sheer effort into this, and he had a game that felt very complete and very well done. There was I honestly, like, I'm trying to think back if there were any flaws or anything like that I found within this game, and I just couldn't. If anything, everyone who judged this game, as well as community members and our staff, they just wanted more of this. So Ghost Dad, if you're watching, you need to definitely continue this, add controller support, and put something out on Steam, because what a great game, dude, and well deserved for first place. So thank you everyone for watching. If you want to check out all of these games, you can actually go to the Game Jam page on GameJolt and you can download the source code. You can see how all of these submissions were created. If you saw something you like, go ahead and download the source code, check it out. If you want to play these games and you want to use the WebGL links that I've used, you can hop into the Discord community and you can actually just ask that developer directly for the link. Also, there is a link going around of the Game Jam 2 submissions that I posted last night. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this stream. Everyone, seriously, amazing job. To everyone who placed, I'll reach out to you guys about awards immediately after this. For everyone who participated, amazing job. Seriously, keep making games. When it comes to game jams, guys, in this community, it's not about the prizes, it's about the participation. And the fact that we had 14 or 13 or 15 quality submissions here versus the 17,000 students that are in this course. And we already received feedback from several who don't even feel they're ready to begin this. I encourage everyone to make a game. That's the only way you're going to get better in this industry. It's the way you're going to make it in this industry, is to participate in these jams and build a portfolio and watch yourself grow as a game developer. So thanks a lot, guys, and I will see you guys in the Discord.